Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Portal Outdoor Folding Table. If you like the idea of having a table in camp, but you want to keep the bulk and cost to a minimum, the Portal Outdoor Folding Table is an excellent option. We like having the ability to adjust the height for standing or sitting, and this is one of the few tables that has independently adjustable legs so you can level it on uneven terrain. The Portal's medium size works well as a low side table between chairs for coffee or a game of dice. It's also good for cooking if you don't mind waiting to set up your stove until you're done with food prep. We choose the Portal for trips where portability is important and we want a single table that can adapt to serve multiple purposes. Mesh bottom layer provide more space and hold more stuffs for you. It can be removed quickly from the foreleg when you don't need. Aluminum slat tabletop can be rolled up. Legs are foldable with non-skid feet. Included carry bag make table extremely compact for easy storage and transportation. Number 2 in this best folding table for camping list is Lifetime Camping and Utility Folding Table. If the words, strong and affordable describe your dream camp table, the Lifetime Camping and Utility Folding Table might be your best bet. It lists for about half the price of some of the other heavy-duty options on the market, and it's one of the biggest and strongest tables on our list. If you plan to do a lot of dirty work like cleaning fish or game, the Lifetime Table is the way to go. The high-density polyurethane tabletop can be sanitized with a quick scrub and rinse, and it stands up better than most to being left out in the elements. When utilitarianism trumps sleek looks and low weight, the Lifetime Table is a clear winner for practicality and price. From crafty creations at home to painting in a natural outdoor setting, this portable craft table is ready to go where you go. The table is designed with 3 different height settings to accommodate your various needs and projects, and a stain-resistant surface so it's easy to clean. When you've finished your masterpiece, simply fold up your portable craft table and store it until your next burst of inspiration. Our third pick is ALPS Mountaineering Table. The ALPS Mountaineering Dining Table is the perfect height to sit at with chairs, and it's spacious enough to comfortably seat 4 to 6 adults. The tabletop may be big, but this table is still pretty lightweight and folds up into a compact bag for hassle-free transport. The dining table isn't built to handle heavy loads, so it's best for activities like eating or a round of cards. With sleek style, great portability, and full-size dimensions, the dining table is bound to get a lot of use whether you're camping, having a backyard barbecue, or needing a sleek and collapsible extra table for around the house. Anodized to increase durability and protect from harmful UV light, this lightweight top folds out, creating the perfect multi-purpose table. Tabletop and frame fold quickly and slide easily into a convenient shoulder carry bag for compact storage or transport. Designed with no side supports to interfere while still maintaining structural integrity, hitting your knees is no longer an issue. Fourth pick in our best folding table for camping list is Trekology Tallu Side Table. If all you need is a small table and portability is important, you can't beat the price of the Trekology Tallu Side Table. While it's the lowest and one of the smallest tables on our list, we find ourselves reaching for it often since it's so convenient to grab and move around camp for various activities. The Talu is a bit small to support the average car camping stove, but it's a great size to stick between a few chairs for a round of cocktails, playing a game, or morning coffee. On multi-day trips, we like to bring it along in addition to a larger table for cooking if space allows. We're impressed with the stability and quality of the Talu for the price, and we love that it packs down small enough to take just about anywhere. Light enough to carry and store almost anywhere. These tables are substantially lighter and more durable than comparably sized wooden tables. Folds into the included carry bag. Store in a car, canoe, or wherever you may need it. Talu provides a stable work surface for hobbyists. Suitable height for camping chairs/stools, or even sitting on the ground. No tools needed. The aluminum base frame is designed to pop up and fold with ease. Its unique hinge design enables easy and robust connection to the tabletop. Just pop it open and attach the tabletop and you are ready to go. You can even assemble this using only one hand. It is so easy that a kid can do it. For details, let's watch more.
Hey guys, this is Paul here from Trekology. I just wanted to quickly show everybody our new Trekology aluminum camping table. This table comes in 3 different sizes. To my left, this is a small size. I have the medium size here, which I'll be assembling, and to my right here is the large size. So to assemble the table, simply open the carrying pouch that it comes in. Inside the pouch, you'll actually see 2 small pouches inside of here, because there are 2 main components of the table. The first part is the table top here, which I'll be setting to the side for now. The second part are the table legs. So we'll want to start the assembly with the table legs. On the 2 outside corners are these bars that can rotate up and down. Simply grab the legs by these opposite corners and pull them to open the legs of the table open. To finish the assembly of the legs, you'll see on one end of the swinging bar there's a small hole. You'll want to line this small hole up with a tab on the opposite side of the table leg. So simply swing this bar down and align the hole with the tab on the table leg, and when it's pushed down, this part of the leg will be flush with the opposite side. So simply do the same thing with the opposite side. Match this hole up with the tab on the opposite side of the leg, push down, and now the leg is flush. So now we can move on to the tabletop. To open the tabletop up, there's this elastic band which you can just pull off. And then open the table up. This flat side is the top of the table. Now, the orientation of the table is important. You'll see on 2 sides of the table, there's this metal bar that runs along one side of the table. You will want to align this metal bar up with these tabs that run along the side of the table. So I match this bar up with the tabs on this side of the table legs. They'll simply snap into place. So now I go to the other side of the table, and there's another bar along this side of the table. I do the same thing, line this bar up with these tabs on the table legs. Simply push down. And now the table's assembled. If you're on the beach or having a picnic, you don't want your bag to blow away in the wind. So if you want, you can just take this pouch that the bag comes in, just tie a knot on the leg just so you don't lose it. And this is the aluminum Trekology table. I really like this table a lot if I'm camping, if I spill a drink on it or maybe some food. This is really easy to clean up. You simply wipe it off with a wet cloth, and this table is really easy to clean. Really love it for camping. As I mentioned earlier, this table does come in 3 different sizes. To my left, this is a small table. This is the medium-sized table. And to my right here is the large table. So now I'll show you how to disassemble the table. To disassemble the table, you simply do everything in reverse. Take the outer corner of the table and simply pull it up until this bar is released from these tabs. Now you'll want to fold the table up accordion style, like this, until you get to the other side, and then you'll just lift this side up off the table. Now the elastic band can simply be wrapped around tabletop. And this can go back into the carrying pouch. Now for the legs of the table, we simply pull up on this horizontal bar of the table, fold it down to the other side. Take the opposite corners of the table legs, simply pull them together. That can go back in the bag. And that's it. This is the Trekology aluminum camping table. Thanks for watching.
Last in this list is GCI Outdoor Compact Camp 20 Folding Table. If your trip goals are about relaxation rather than doing a lot of gourmet cooking, a small side table like the GCI Outdoor Compact Camp 20 folding table might be more your style. A side table next to a comfy chair brings a touch of luxury to camp and saves you the hassle of lugging a big, clunky table. The Camp 20 will hold your drink, book, phone, and snacks at arm's reach so you can have your creature comforts while you kick back and enjoy the view. We found this table especially handy in sandy locations, where it's important to keep electronics safely off the ground. It also makes a great small dining table for two, or a bedside table in a large camping tent. The Camp 20 is perfect for those who need an affordable and sturdy small table with adjustable height to suit a range of needs. The Compact Camp Table 20 features a unique one-piece compact design. This table folds to half the size of other camp tables. When legs are extended, this is a great table for two or can be used as a side table. Lightweight, aluminum frame supports up to 60 pounds. This portable table folds up quickly and easily with its patent-pending squeeze telescoping technology for easy storage. It is ideal for camping, tailgating, fishing, sporting events and other outdoor activities.